3.2 Requests, Repair, Malfunctions. Alteration, Repair, Maintenance. All alterations, additions, and improvements made to the premises shall be at the tenant's sole cost and expense. However, the tenant shall not perform any renovation, alteration, without prior written consent of owner, including but not limited to carpeting, painting, wallpapering, or staining. Should the tenant and/or any persons be found to be the cause of the damage by a licensed professional, the tenant will be responsible for 100% of the repair cost invoiced by approved vendor and any additional charges by agents. Tenant shall not change existing or install new A. Heat/air conditioning equipment, B. Antenna/cable connections, C. Appliances, D. Lighting fixtures without prior written consent of owner. Any improvements will become a permanent part of the premises and may not be removed at termination or expiration of the lease. However, the owner reserves the right to require the tenant to return the premises to its original condition. Tenant shall give owner prompt notice of all accidents to or malfunctions of any part of the premises. Repairs shall be made at the owner's discretion and with due diligence, and the tenant pay for all repairs caused by the acts or omissions of tenant, his family, guests, or agents. Tenant shall promptly report and pay the cost of repair or replacement of all broken or damaged glass, screens, doors, and wood, regardless of the cause of the damage, including acts of strangers. Tenant shall not place on the premises waterbeds, portable heaters, wood-burning stoves, trampolines, pools, hot tubs, or satellite dishes without prior written permission of the owner. Tenant shall keep the premises in clean and sanitary condition and free of vermin and other pests. Tenant shall have the dryer vent cleaned by vendor approved by owner and or agent, and carpet cleaned by vendor approved by owner and or agent at least once a year and at the end of the term. Tenant shall have the property professionally cleaned by a maid service at time of move out by a vendor approved by the owner or agent. Tenant agrees to provide receipts for all carpet cleaning, maid cleaning, chimney cleaning, dryer vent cleaning, and when applicable, professional pest control treatment at the time of move out. All fireplaces and chimneys are considered to be non-functioning and for decorative purposes only. Tenant shall not use said fireplace and or chimneys without the prior written consent of the owner. Furthermore, tenant shall have the fireplace and chimney professionally inspected and cleaned prior to use and provide proof of receipts to agent. Tenant shall have all air conditioning, heating filters cleaned/changed monthly. Regularly inspect all smoke detectors to see that they are working properly. Replace all smoke detector batteries as necessary, and keep all plumbing free of grease and foreign matter, and replace light bulbs as needed with like kind through the duration of the lease, and replace any burnt out light bulbs at the time of move out. Unless the premises are part of an apartment complex or a condominium complex which provides such services, tenant shall maintain the lawn, flower beds, and shrubs in a neat and healthy condition and keep gutters and downspouts clear. Telephone wiring and jacks are not installed or maintained by agent or owner. Tenant shall be fully responsible for any and all damages caused by tenant's failure to properly clean and maintain the premises, appliances, and fixtures, or tenant's failure to immediately inform agent or owner of damages which need repair. Non-compliance with this section constitutes a material breach of this lease agreement. Appliances. The following appliances may be found in the rental property: stove, microwave, dishwasher, range, oven, refrigerators, window unit AC, washing machine, and or dryer, all of which are the property of the landlord and are loaned, not leased, to the tenants. Maintenance and repairs to appliances are the responsibility of the tenants, who will keep them in good repair. In the event the appliance has exceeded its useful life as deemed by the IRS MACRS recovery periods for property used in rental activities, or by Fannie Mae estimated useful life tables, then the cost to repair the appliance or to replace the appliance with a unit of a like kind will be the responsibility of the owner, who will repair or replace the appliance at the owner's expense and discretion. Noncompliance with this section constitutes a material breach of this lease agreement.